I have carefully gone through each of the prayers in this petition. They have a singular aim of bringing the fresh presidential election to a halt. This is more so apparent in prayer H and I, which seek to have the fresh election cancelled, and the Gazette notices notifying that the election date and the candidates quashed for being null and void. Looking at these prayers vis-a-vis the decision of the Supreme Court directing IBC to hold the election within 60 days, and the text in Article 163, Article 7, which states that the decisions of the Supreme Court are binding on all courts, including this court, I find on the whole that the effect of this petition is to circumvent the Supreme Court decision, a jurisdiction this court does not have. I must point out that this petition does not seek to enforce individual fundamental rights and freedoms under the Constitution, but rather to determine the issue of nomination of presidential candidates and the processes leading to that election. It is important that this court remains faithful to the jurisdiction granted to it by the Constitution. I agree with the observation by Lenaola J, as he then was in the Africa case, that matters arising from the petition before us are matters that involve the process leading to the declaration of a successful presidential candidate. As the Supreme Court said, the presidential election is not a single event. It is a process from nomination to election petition subsequent to declaration of presidential election results. This court cannot appropriate jurisdiction to entertain this matter, however urgent or important it may be to the parties or the public. End of quote. In the circumstances, therefore, I find on the whole that this court has no jurisdiction to deal with the petition before it, as the issues raised in the petition fall within the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Consequently, the preliminary objection succeeds, and the petition dated 16th of October 2017 is declined and struck out. Each party will, however, bear their own costs.